Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert arrows or how to insert arrow shape on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert arrows on your WPS spreadsheet mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on this icon option and just go inside the insert option. So after going inside the insert option, scroll down, you will see an option called shapes. Click this. So here you can find a different type of arrows. So here you can expand the arrows wherever you just want to point it. For an example, I just want to point here. If you just want to point there on the cell C at the fourth, you can just point this like this. If you just need a curve arrow, you can use this, and you can just resize, and also you can just rotate it. The same process, you can just use this arrow if you just need it like a chart, and if you just need this arrow like this to show difference between these two different arrows. And this is how you just use these arrows on your, you can just resize the arrows like this too. And if you just need more colors of arrows, you can just choose from the different colors of arrows by this option. So this is how you just insert arrows by using the shapes on your WPS spreadsheet. If you just click this, and you can just customize by using click on this icon, just change the color you want and also the border color. So this is how you just insert arrows on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.